Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Adila. In this video, we will present about our project for BMM2612 Computer Aided Design Sem 2 for session 1920. In this task, we use SPANNAR as our main tool to observe. In our group consists of 5 members, which is me, Fairuz, Rizal, Eri, and Arif. Each of us will explain the detail of our project respectively. So, the objective of this project is to draw the spanner using AutoCAD software. The second is to measure and evaluate our skills in using AutoCAD. And the last is to know better the function for each component in Spanner.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am Fairuz. So I'm going to explain about the design of the project. So my team and I think that spanner, or we can call it as a wrench, it is a very good option for us to have it as our design project. So I'm going to explain the detail of the spanner that we have made. So there are the bigger size and also the smaller size of part. Okay, so I'm going to explain about the body part, since there are body part and also head part. So first I'm going to explain about the body part. So the distance is 28.48 for the bigger size, and for the smaller size it is 15.21 millimeter. So for the head part, there are smaller size also and the bigger size of part. So the biggest size, I'm going to explain about the biggest size part first. So the biggest size part consists of 15.67 millimeter apart, and they have the thickness of 5 millimeter. For the smaller size part, it has 5 millimeter also as their thickness, and they have 12.43 millimeter apart. So the length of the spanner is 100 millimeter. So I think that's all. Thank you.
Hello, very good evening. My name is Muhammad Adi. Today, my method number is MA19046. Today, I want to show step by step to draw the wedge. So, say first, we need to draw a circle with radius 15 and with 9 and 15, and then next circle is radius 19. To that, we need to draw a line with length 100, and draw a circle at the end line. Draw a circle with radius 15 and one more circle with radius 9. So we need to offset this line 5.5, Next, we need to draw a tangent circle with radius 47. Next, we need to trim it. Another tangent circle at this point with radius 23. Next, we need to trim the circle and trim all the sections. So the next process is we need to draw a line at this circle with angle 17. So the process is we need to draw another line, length 8.5. Then we need to move this to the top line. Then we need to copy to the bottom of this line. Then next process is we need to trim it. Okay, we need to do at this side same process with the left side. Need to draw a straight line with radius with angle at 163. Then draw a straight line, length 6.5. We need to move this and copy. The process is we need to trim it. Okay, the rest is done. That's all from me. Step by step drawing 2D the wrench or spanner. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman Arif bin Yusuf. My number ID is MA19050. Today I want to present about how to draw the wrench using orthographic drawing. Okay, first, part B1, top view. As you can see, it is the same as the wrench as before. See draw. Okay, and then for part B2, front view, this. First, you must comment line with 129.12 mm length and 5 mm height for the full length of the spanner. Second, type line with 36.4 mm after the first line to get length of the head. As you can see here, this, and then use another comment line again with 42.4 mm after the first line to get the size of inner curve of spanner. Okay, and then use line type of hidden type same we don't see it as the outer part. Okay, from the middle, as you can see here, from the middle, use hidden type of line type with 1 mm upward and downward, and use common line to get the hidden part of the spanner. This you see here. And then you must repeat step 1 until 4 for the other side of the front view. And then you complete the dimension. Thank you, that's all from me.
For the side view orthographic drawing of the spanner, First, we comment the line with the length of 27.72 mm and 5 mm of height to get the full length of the side view of the spanner. And next, from the end of the line, comment line with length of 8.54 mm. And then from the middle, use hidden type of line tag with 1 mm upward and downward, and use comment line to get the hidden part of the spanner. And finally complete all of the dimension.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Fairuz binti Wan Muhammad Azmi, and my ID number is MA19038. So I'm going to explain about the discussion of this project. By this project, we can see that we have to use the basic knowledge of using AutoCAD software. My team and I think that Spanner is a very good option for us to make it as our project design. There's a lot of things that we can learn and also explore in AutoCAD software. We have used a lot of commands such as line, circle, trim, and also offset in order to complete the task. We can say that all of the learning process has been applied throughout carrying this project. We have managed to complete the task by separating the task by each other and do it all together like a team. But unfortunately, we have some issues to finish the range design since we are still struggling to use the tools details since it was kind of complicated. So we quite acknowledge that this software can be hard sometimes, so we Google it for more information and learn it by ourselves, the function of each of the tools. But at the same time, we also refer to the material that are given by our lecturer in the Kalam to apply in this project. In fact, it helps us understand and discover more about the AutoCAD software. Not gonna lie, but the AutoCAD can be hard sometimes when it comes to the students who first time use it, so they need to take some classes and also watch a lot of videos to be an expert in using AutoCAD software. AutoCAD software is very compatible when it comes to 2D and also 3D, and the tools in AutoCAD are also easy to use and very helpful to do the basic drawing in the engineering drawing. By the end of the project, we have compiled a video and also a drawing of the spanner or also a wrench that are made by us. That's all. Thank you.
To conclude our project is, we have learned the basic necessary when we work with AutoCAD program. We already familiar with the terms and with the AutoCAD's command, so it was easy for us to use. The next is, we have learned the function of spanner in our life, how to use it and the function. So the last is, we already understood with orthogonal drawings and its function. It's really helpful when we want to imagine the exact object, the whole object. That's all from me.